Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to download and install LocalSend for fast local file sharing. I was looking for a quick way to send files between my devices without dealing with cables or cloud uploads, and that's when I came across LocalSend, which honestly feels like one of those tools you wish you found earlier. To get started, I opened my browser and searched for LocalSend, then headed straight to the official site and click on the download section. From there, it just asked me to choose my system. I'm on Windows, so I grabbed that exe installer and let it download. Once it's finished, I open the file, hit install for all users, confirm the prompt, pick my preferred language, and selected where I wanted it to install. The whole setup took barely a minute, and there's something oddly satisfying about how straightforward it is. No weird pop ups or extra steps. If you've ever struggled sending files across devices, this feels like a breath of fresh air, like finally upgrading from a flip phone to something modern. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.